Have you ever wondered when your iPhone was first turned on? Maybe you bought it as new, or you got it from someone else, but you want to know if it was really first used when you think it was. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to check the date of the first activation and find out whether your iPhone is new or has already been used. No apps, no complications, everything directly from the settings. So to begin with, you need to find the settings icon and open it. Once you're in the settings, scroll down a bit to the general section and tap on it. Inside the general section, you'll see a bunch of options. Tap on About. Here you'll find basic information about your device, such as the device name, software version, serial number, model, and more. Now locate your serial number, then tap and hold on it and copy it. After you've done that, exit the settings and open your browser. In the browser, type checkcoverage.apple.com. This will take you directly to Apple's official service page for checking device status. You'll see a field where you need to enter the serial number of your iPhone, the one you just copied from the settings. Enter the number. Right below that, you'll see another field where you need to enter a verification code. This is called CAPTCHA, a check to confirm you're not a robot. Just copy the letters and numbers you see in the image, then click on the Submit button. Now, on this page, you'll see your device name, the serial number, and most importantly, the estimated purchase date. That date represents the day your iPhone was first activated, or in other words, first turned on. Based on that date, you can tell whether the device is truly new or if it was used before. And that's it for this video, my friends. I hope you found it useful. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you very soon.